The Lord just be talking out the middle of nowhere. Y'all can just be sitting there minding my business and he can just literally spark a conversation. I kid you not. The Lord said drones regarding this California fire. Oh, Tiara Mama Tiaroko inside job indeed. Okay, he said man-made catastrophe. Tiara Mama, pay attention to what's going on. Tiara Mama. Okay, now he's saying again, in the midst of chaos, I will provide provision. Tiara Mama pointing fingers. Who will they blame? Tiara Mama, are you seeing it now? Tiara Mama. He said, you live by your desires and you will die by them.
Civilians are now lighting fires.
Fox right now.
Oh, look at this.
Let's see what this is.
The whole neighborhood.
Yeah, this is what we were. Yeah, we knew this was here, and this is like the first chance that we're actually kind of getting a look at that real devastation. When they keep saying over 1,000 homes burned in the Palisades.
The Palisades fire, of course, erupted like a scene from an apocalypse. Flames engulfing the hillsides, turning lush landscapes into blackened ruins.
Kate.